All right, let's talk about the Canon R6 Mark II, one of Canon's most versatile and capable full-frame mirrorless cameras today. Whether you're a photographer, content creator, or just love capturing life, this camera handles pretty much everything super well. You get a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, giving you sharp photos, nice dynamic range, and clean low-light performance. On top of that, it shoots up to 40 frames per second with an electronic shutter, ideal for sports, wildlife, action, or any fast-moving subject. Video creators will love it too. You get 4K up to 60 frames per second, full HD 180 frames per second for slow motion, and excellent autofocus that locks onto eyes, faces, animals, basically anything moving. The in-body stabilization makes handheld shooting smooth, and the ergonomics and handling make long shoots comfortable. It's a camera that feels powerful without being overwhelming. Solid build, intuitive controls, great balance. It's perfect if you want one body that does both pro-level photos and high-quality video. So who should pick the R6 Mark II? Travel photographers, vloggers, wildlife shooters, event shooters, YouTubers, anyone who wants a reliable all-rounder that doesn't compromise on quality. Why buy it? Because it's flexible, fast, modern, and gives you top-tier performance without needing to carry multiple bodies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.